Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5. I am your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed from Beria Foundation College, Nusharaf Firoz, subject teacher Computer Science. Dear students, today we are going to do practical on Microsoft Word, and today's practical is based on alignment feature. So dear students, when you will open your book page number 40, on book page number 40, there are some types or some features of alignment like this: left, center, right, and justify. So dear students, alignment feature enables us to start our text from the left side or from the center or from right or from justified line of the text. So dear students, alignment feature is divided into four categories. Number one is left, number second one is center, number third is right, and number fourth one is justified. So dear students, now we will have to see by opening the Microsoft Word on our computer, and we will have to do practical based on alignment feature. So once again I am going to repeat that how to open Microsoft Word. Dear students, you can open Microsoft Word by pressing Window key from the keyboard, and you will type Word, WRD. But when students, you will only press W key after pressing Window key, the softwares that are installed in our computer are appeared in front of us like this. So dear students, you will have to see the word is placed in the topmost of the menu, and dear students, you will have to enter your word is opened here, and we will have to find in word that where the alignment feature is present. So dear students, this is the alignment feature, and in alignment feature all the categories that I discussed by displaying you book page number 40. So dear students, this one is left category, and this one is center, this one is right side, and this one is justified. So dear students, when you will click on the align text left, it means whatever you are going to type in Microsoft Word, it will be started from the left side of the document. So dear students, for suppose here we click alignment left. Okay, so dear students, now whatever we will type, whatever we are going to type, it will be started from the left side of the document. For suppose here we are going to type computer. First of all, increase the size of the fonts. Okay, computer is used everywhere to process processed data. So dear students, here the alignment or the category of the alignment that we have followed or applied is known as left alignment. Now press enter key. For example, now we want to start our text from the center of the document. So dear students, we will click on the center. After clicking the center, our text will be started from the center of the document. So if we are going to type any sentence here, it will be started from the mid part of the document or the central point of the document. For suppose we are going to type here computer consists of hardware and software. Okay, dear students. So, dear students, the first one sentence that is computer is used everywhere to process data, and first sentence we started from left side. Second sentence we started from the center of the text, and third one is right alignment. So dear students, to select right alignment, we will click on the align text right. So when we will click on this feature, our text will be started from the right side of the document. So here we are going to type another sentence. For suppose the physical components of computer are called hardware. Okay, dear students. So, dear students, we have applied three categories of alignment feature. Alignment feature is used to align our text from left, center, or right side of the document. So dear students, these are the features. Now justify feature enables us to justify all the text to the equal starting and ending point of the document. So dear students, if you will select all the sentences and you will click on the justify, the text will be of equal lines. For suppose we are going to click here on justify feature. Okay, dear students, we will have to click on justify. Now, dear students, you saw that all the sentences that we typed have been in equal formation. So this one is justify feature. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अलाइनमेंट फीचर क्या करती है? अलाइनमेंट फीचर हमारी मदद करती है टेक्स्ट को लेफ्ट साइड से स्टार्ट करना, सेंटर से स्टार्ट करना या राइट साइड से स्टार्ट करना। और जो जस्टिफाई फीचर होती है वो हमारी मदद करती है ताकि हमारे टेक्स्ट के अंदर जितनी भी लाइन्स हैं वो इक्वल हो, जस्टिफाइड हो। तो दिस is the practical based on the alignment feature, and alignment feature you will find on book page number 40. Now dear students, at your home, your homework is to practice this practical at your home, and we have provided you notes and you will have to memorize question number 1 from chapter number 4. Dear students, your lecture is ended here and we will meet in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5.